Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your country on the OmeTV app. If you want to chat with people from a specific country, just follow these simple steps. First, open the OmeTV app on your Android phone. When the app opens, you'll see the country option on the main screen before starting a chat. Tap on the country option. A list of available countries will appear on your screen. Now, scroll through the list and select the country you want to connect with. After selecting your preferred country, go back to the main screen. Now tap Start or Video Chat to begin chatting. OmeTV will now try to match you with people from the country you selected. Please note that matches may still vary depending on user availability and your app version. If you don't see the country option, make sure you're using the latest version of the OmeTV app, as features may vary by app version and region. That's it. You've successfully learned how to change your country on the OmeTV app. This video is made for educational purposes only. The information shared is based on publicly available online sources and research, not on my personal experience. Features and menu options may vary depending on your device, app version, and region. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Android tips, app tutorials, and tech guides. See you in the next video.